part 3, another video here. I've turned the drawing upside down from the way I had been photographing and videoing it previously. So 3 portraits are done so far. Casey Jordan Marquez was a 17-year-old senior at Aztec High School in New Mexico, and she was slain December 7, 2017. Robert Robertson Jr. was also 17. He was a senior at Cleveland High School in Seattle, slain in March, I think it was March 15, 2015. And Catalina Garcia was age 20. She was slain on February 14, 2008 in a terrorism attack called mass shooting in a classroom at Northern Illinois University in DeKalb, February 14th, 2008, Valentine's Day. All right, to be continued.